Hey guys, on today's Cravings rating, I have got In-N-Out, and ooh, am I excited. I've got for the first time I've ever tried it, the 3x3. It's got 3 patties, 3 slices of cheese. Sounds like a lot, but I'm gonna go after it. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. I'm making a mess, but it's delicious. That's really good. Really, really good. Man, it's hot. And the lettuce is still cold, so they are just cooking those hot and fresh and putting them together really fast. Man, that's tasty. Mmm. 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 I also got the animal fries. It's got melted cheese, grilled onions, and their special sauce. Let's try these. Mmm. 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 Those are amazing. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. So I went ahead and got a strawberry shake as well. Going all out today. But that's got a lot of real strawberry in it, I think. How wonderful. Well, I'm going to give this Cravings rating 10 out of 10 for In-N-Out 3x3 and animal style fries. That was delicious, as well as the strawberry shake. Everything 10 out of 10. My craving has definitely been satisfied, and I hope you guys have a tasty day, and I'll see you next time.